everyone, in before tutorial we seen how to give animations to player. If you not seen that video, the link was in description, and in this video we'll see how to change the sprite in a sprite renderer. If you not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing want to change the sprite. Suppose you can see this is the sprite, right? I added rigid body, I added animations, I added polygon collider, and I added everything. But I want to change the player. Suppose you can go to assets, just go to assets, and instead of creepy cat you can keep, I want to keep another I think better to keep, instead of creepy cat you can see backs, and not, instead of, I think instead of creepy cat you can keep I think better to keep moon. Just go to streets. Instead of creepy cat I want to keep a moon, right? Just click this one. I want to change the player and wants to be ball shape. So for that, just no need to delete this one. If you delete, all the components will gone, like rigid body, polygon, movement script, everything will gone. Again adding its risk to us, right? Just no need to that. Just instead of that, just drag this one, drop it here, and you can find instead of player it will come. Actually the player is circle, right? You can add, remove component, and add circle collider. Just add circle collider, and you should adjust the circle collider. Not only this, for everything we have to adjust the circle collider. Yes, and I want to reduce the size also. Sorry, just control Z. And for some time, just, I think before adding the circle collider you can reduce, then better to add. I think this is the player. So add now component which is circle collider. Just click this one, and you can resize it. No need to remove all the components, and no need to add. Just you can play the button. Now it's will work. I think it's still having the player. Just I didn't. You can see instead of player we have, because why it's working, we done animation, right? Just uncheck it, and you can see that now. Of course, it's a moon working. So it's moving forward, it's moving backward. So this is the way to change the sprite in sprite renderer. Just drag what sprite you are using. Just click this one, and you can drag which one using. So this is the way to add the thing, and you can find here, and remove the collider and remove component. Just add component which is, I think I'm doing is in play mode. Just stop the play mode, and everything should be done in, not to be done in play mode. Just click here, and it's changed. It should not be circle collider. So just remove the component, add the component which is polygon collider 2D. Just add it, and now the polygon collider was added, and click the animation also, because I want animation. You can see it's imperfect, right? So you can see it's imperfect. Of course it's not bouncing because we didn't added the bouncy material to polygon collider. Just add the bouncy material, and increase the size of the player also. Just increase by using this. Of course if you want this you can increase this. I think it's not bad. And if you, it should be upside. Yes. Yes, it's working. It's not bad, and it's animating. So this is the way to change sprite in sprite renderer. So that's all for today's video. Now I'll come with another video, that is player flipping the player. If
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also. And if you want to ask anything, just do comments. I'll really